Last one.
Yeah.
Can you go dunk your ball in the hoop?
No.
Why not? What can you do? What can you do, Sean? You've got an airplane. Fly it. Woo! Wow.
Look.
It's gone. No more, remember?
Look.
No more.
Look.
What are you going to look at? Look.
Look. How you like?
Wow, that's our deck.
Hi.
Did you like that, Sean? No more, remember? No more.
No more.
How many more?
No more.
One more.
Yeah.
No more, remember?
One more.
One more, okay? And then you've got to say something really cool like I love Auntie Cash. Wow. That's your basketball hoop you got for your birthday. And there's Nina. Say hi, Nina.
Hi, Nina.
Hi, Shawnee.
Hi, Nina.
Hi, Shawnee. He's over to the camera.
Hi, Nina. Nina.
Why don't you go slam dunk? Show Nana how you slam dunk.
Can you slam dunk?
Look.
Go get the ball and slam dunk.
Go get it. Slam dunk.
And slip.
Hey, let's try again. Try again. Hey, you missed again.
I'll just kick
Look
it.
at
We should have got him goals instead.
Look.
Sean, what did you get for Christmas?
Not going very good.
That's because you meant to play it like this.
Look.